بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Respected parents and my dear students, how are you? I hope you all are doing good. Students, this is your science class. Let's start our studies. Okay, students, first of all of you open page 12. Hurry up. All of you open this page. Students, today we will discuss and answer. What is this? Discuss and answer. How are these children moving? How are these children moving? ये बच्चे कैसे हरकत कर रहे हैं? Which part of the body are they using? And which body part they are using? ये अपनी कौन से body part को use कर रहे हैं? Okay. So in this first picture, you can see that this is a boy who is walking with his dog. This boy is walking with his dog and he is walking with the help of his legs. In the second picture, this girl is jumping. What this girl is doing? This girl is jumping, and this girl is jumping with the help of his feet, legs and feet. She is also using a rope because she is skipping. Okay, now what this girl is doing? She is balancing. What she is doing? She is balancing herself on a piece of wood. And so students, this girl is balancing on a piece of wood and she is balancing herself with the help of her hands and her legs. What this boy is doing? He is hitting a ball. What he is doing? He is hitting a ball and he is hitting with the help of his hands. Okay students, very good. Now see the next picture. What this boy is doing? He is holding a box. He is holding a box and he is holding this box with the help of his hands. Okay, now what this boy is doing? He is jumping. He is jumping and he is jumping with the help of his legs. Okay students, now what this boy is doing? This boy is kicking. He is kicking with the help of his legs. And what this boy is doing? He is sitting on a chair and he is holding a newspaper. He is sitting on a chair and he is holding a newspaper or a book. And this boy is eating. He is eating with the help of his mouth and he is holding this ice cream with the help of his hands. And what this boy is doing? He is stretching himself. He is stretching himself because he is in the bed. So he just wake up and he is stretching himself. So they are using different parts of their body. He is walking, she is jumping, she is balancing, he is hitting, he is holding, he is jumping, he is kicking, he is holding and sitting, he is eating and holding, and this boy is stretching. Okay students, here are some words to use. Here are some words to use for movements and you have to remember these words. Run, run, push, chew, yawn, jump, pull, sit, walk, sing, stroke, cuff, balance, write, nod, kick, hold, stretch. Repeat with me. Run, push, chew, yawn, jump, pull, sit, walk, sing, stroke, cuff, balance, write, nod, kick, hold, stretch. I am repeating once again. Okay, you have to read with me. What is this? Run. What is this? Push. What is this? Chew. What is this? Yawn. What is this? Jump. What is this? Pull. What is this? Sit. Walk. Sing. Stroke. Cuff. Balance. Write. Nod. Kick. Hold. Stretch. Okay, these are the different parts of your body and you have studied about them in the previous lectures. Let's read them once again. Eyes, chest, fingers, thumbs. Eyes, chest, fingers, thumbs. Eyes, chest, fingers, thumbs. Head, toes, legs, chin. Head, toes, legs, chin. Head, toes, legs, chin. Neck, arms, lips. Neck, arms, lips. Neck, arms, lips. Back, hands, tongue. Back, hands, tongue. Back, hands, tongue. Shoulders, feet, jaws. Shoulders, feet, jaws. Shoulders, feet, jaws. I am repeating once again. Students, please read with me. Parts of body: eyes, chest, fingers, thumbs. Head, toes, legs, chin. Neck, arms, lips. Back, hands, tongue. Shoulders, feet, jaws. Very good. Okay students, now it's your homework time and your homework is you have to make a short video and you have to read all these words in that video. Okay, आपने एक short video बनानी है and you have to read all these words in that video and then share your video in your WhatsApp group. Then आपने अपने WhatsApp group में उस video को share करना है. I hope students you have enjoyed today's class. Okay students, stay home, stay safe, take care my dear students. Allah Hafiz.
اللهم انفعنا بما علمتنا وعلمنا ما ينفعنا وزدنا علما.